Grocery shopping is something we all have to do, though choosing the right foods can be very hard indeed. To assist you with your healthy grocery shopping, these tips can indeed help make things easier than ever before. 1. Never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. Any experienced shopper knows that going to the grocery store on an empty stomach is a recipe for disaster. Without food to help keep you focused, you're more likely to make impulsive purchases and end up with a cart full of unhealthy junk food. Even if you're able to resist the temptation to indulge in a snack at the store, being hungry makes it harder to stick to your budget. When you're trying to save money, every extra purchase adds up. So next time you need to restock your pantry, make sure you eat a good meal beforehand. It may seem like a hassle, but it will help you stay on track, and save some money in the process. 2. Select canned fruits and tuna that are packed in water, not oil or syrup. While canned fruits and tuna can be a convenient and healthy option, it is important to choose products that are packed in water rather than oil or syrup. Products that are packed in water are lower in calories and fat, and they will not contribute to your risk of heart disease. In addition, products that are packed in water tend to be more affordable than those that are packed in oil or syrup. When choosing canned fruits and tuna, be sure to look for products that are labeled packed in water. By making this simple switch, you can enjoy the same convenience and nutrition without sacrificing your health. 3. Look at the labels for the words hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated. When it comes to choosing healthy foods, reading labels is essential. Among the many things to look for on a label, the words hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated deserve special attention. These terms indicate the presence of trans fatty acids, which are known to be unhealthy. The more trans fatty acids a food contains, the higher it will appear on the ingredient list. Therefore, when you see these words close to the beginning of an ingredient list, it's best to put the food back on the shelf and choose something else. By being label savvy, you can make better choices for your health and avoid foods that are high in unhealthy trans fats. 4. Don't buy turkey with the skin on it. Turkey is a traditional Thanksgiving dish, but it's important to be mindful of how you prepare it. One mistake that many people make is buying turkey with the skin still on. The skin is loaded with saturated fat, which can increase your cholesterol levels and lead to heart disease. Additionally, the skin will absorb much of the fat from the turkey during cooking, making it even more unhealthy. So, when you're doing your holiday shopping, be sure to look for skinless turkey. It may cost a bit more, but it's worth it for your health. Not to mention, it will be easier to carve. 5. Choose frozen meals carefully. With the busyness of everyday life, it's no wonder that frozen dinners have become a popular choice for many people. They're quick and easy to prepare, and there's no need to worry about leftovers. However, when it comes to frozen dinners, not all options are created equal. While some are low in fat, they can be high in sodium and cholesterol. Others may be low in sodium, but high in fat and cholesterol. To make the best choices for your health, look for frozen dinners that are low in fat and sodium, as well as cholesterol. Not only will you be getting a healthier meal, but you'll also be doing your part to help keep your heart healthy. 6. If you aren't consuming enough dairy products, go with calcium-fortified orange juice instead. Many people think of dairy products when they think of calcium, but there are other ways to get this essential nutrient. Calcium is necessary for strong bones and teeth, and it also helps with muscle contraction and blood clotting. Orange juice is a good source of calcium, and it's also fortified with other important nutrients like vitamin D. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, so pairing these two together is a great way to make sure you're getting enough of both. If you don't like dairy products or you're lactose intolerant, calcium-fortified orange juice is a great alternative. Just be sure to check the label to make sure you're getting a product that contains both calcium and vitamin D. 7. Go for whole grain breads, cereals, and rolls. When it comes to choosing healthy breads, cereals, and rolls, whole grain options are always the best choice. Whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber, which help to regulate digestion and keep you feeling full throughout the day. In contrast, processed white flour has been stripped of these important nutrients, making it less filling and more likely to cause blood sugar spikes. Whole grain breads, cereals, and rolls also tend to be more flavorful and satisfying than their processed counterparts. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to choose whole grain options for your sandwiches and snacks. Your body will thank you for it. 8. Give cantaloupe a try. Cantaloupe is a nutrient-rich fruit that provides a variety of health benefits. With just 95 calories, half of the melon will provide more than a day's supply of vitamin C and beta-carotene. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin, eyesight, and immune function. In addition, cantaloupe is a good source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. The sweet taste and refreshing texture of cantaloupe make it a perfect addition to any summertime meal. So why not give cantaloupe a try? Your body will thank you for it. 9. Don't be tricked into buying yogurt-covered nuts or raisins, as the coating is normally made of sugar and partially hydrogenated oils. Yogurt-covered nuts and raisins may seem like a healthy snack, but the reality is that they are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. The yogurt coating is typically made with sugar and partially hydrogenated oils, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. Stick to plain nuts and raisins instead, and if you crave something sweet, add a small amount of honey or maple syrup. Your body will thank you for making healthier choices. 10. Get some of the low-fat treats, such as pretzels, ginger snaps, and angel food cake. Pretzels, ginger snaps, and angel food cake are all low-fat treats that are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without packing on the pounds. Pretzels are a great source of fiber, and ginger snaps are a good source of antioxidants. Angel food cake is a light and fluffy dessert that is lower in calories than most cakes. All of these treats are perfect for snacking on between meals or enjoying as a light dessert. So next time you're looking for a tasty snack that won't ruin your diet, reach for pretzels, ginger snaps, or angel food cake. By following these tips when grocery shopping, you'll avoid the bad foods and get those that you need. There are many different healthy foods at the grocery store. All it takes is the willpower to go past the bad foods and onto the good ones. Do you have any tips? Let us know in the comments below.